Now there's a lot of body damage on this driver's side door. The cool thing is the passenger side door is untouched. So we're going to use a piece of cardboard, make a template, and transfer that over to the driver's side door. By making a cardboard template this way, you get two patterns, an outside template to check on the outside of the door and an inside template to check on the inside edge of the door. Before we use our templates, we've got some work to do. This door edge was folded in due to an accident in our Ranger's previous life. Metal has a memory and knows the shape it wants to go back to. Using a hammer and dolly, we're going to slowly put the original shape back into the metal. And by speeding up the video, you can see the edge of the door is taking its original shape. We're going to go in depth with hammer and dolly techniques in an upcoming show. But for now, the most important lesson about reshaping metal is to go slow, because you don't want to go too far and end up having to reshape the metal back the other way, because that actually weakens it. I like to make the cardboard more pliable by running it over a hard edge, because the area I'm working on actually curves back towards the rear of the door. The bottom half of the template shows how close we are on the door's inside, and the top half shows if we need to shape the metal further out. Like here, not only can you see this high spot, you can feel it. And by using the straight edge of your dolly, it shows how far I need to hammer this spot down. Again, go slowly and utilize not only the face of your hammer, but also the chisel end to flatten the ridge out. Touch, and your dolly will tell you when you're done. This type of repair will chip any painted surface, so it's a good idea to use coarse sandpaper like 36 grit to quickly remove the finish. Then shift to a finer paper like 180 grit to prep the surface for a layer of high build primer. Grease and wax remover preps the surface for 3 to 4 layers of primer. We're not doing any filler work on this door since it's going back on our pre-runner Ranger, and it will certainly see plenty more abuse out in the desert. So this is good enough for our race-ready paint job.